with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel. I'm here in the frozen Alaskan rainforest, and I brought my hot tent because it's supposed to be a blizzard tonight. Woo! Oh, I had so much trouble getting this tent up. There's almost a 3-foot elevation difference from this side to this side. I had to do some funky stuff to get it to work. Well, the fire's barely going and it's heating up quite nicely in here, making my pants steam. That's why everyone calls me Hot Pants. Nobody calls me that. I'm gonna have some herbal tea here. Oh, that herbal tea hits the spot. It's nice and cozy in here. I got my stew going. Food always cooks slowly on a hot tent stove, but I'm in no hurry.